Welcome to how to get your launch actually posted on Muncheye so all the other joint venture guys can see it now. So you're going to go on muncheye.com, log into account, create an account, and then you are going to go down to posts. Yes, posts. And then you're going to say all posts, add new. Now, as you can see here, what we have is your name, first and last name, dash the name of your project or product is coming now with whatever amount of prize money that you're going to offer to the joint venture guys for the contest for who are the number one sales guys. And then after you do that, you're going to need to go down to the paragraph and put a little bit more information as to what's going on. For a legit guide, Jamie said, Jamie Lewis is releasing his new epic interactive online business mentoring platform on October 3rd, 2019 with $10,000 in prizes. Now you go to the right-hand side and all the categories as to where you will be posting this product to be sold. And so for a legit guide, it was sold on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. But the cool thing is these affiliate networks, there's a lot of them. There's ClickBanks, ClickShare, Deal Guardian, Digi Results, Infusionsoft, NanaCast, other Pay.com, Pay Kickstart, Product Pay, Samcart. We have Thrivecart, XDS Sports, the niche. So now, what is the niche? So this particular product on a legit guide is teaching a webinar, which will encompass all of this. So I'm just going to actually click a few niches. So affiliate marketing, yes. BizOp, yes. E-commerce, yes. This is a 24-month product. So this will go over all of these niches in the tutorial, in the training every week. It's a weekly webinar. E-commerce, yes. General actually does cover general everything. List building, yes. SEO traffic, yes. It will go over social media, yes. So social media, yes. It does have software linked to there. So you'll have software tutorials. So this is definitely a product line that which covers all of those areas, which makes it general. So then I will go ahead and save that so that it is updated. However, this launch has passed. So I'm just showing you kind of behind the scenes so that when you actually create your product and you're ready to launch it on muncheye.com. Oh, this is the next thing you do. You do the launch date, the launch time. You have a joint venture page so everyone can kind of look at it to figure out how to promote your product. The front end price is $27 and anybody that sells it would be making 60% commissions. Nice, right? Awesome. So that is that. I'm so glad that you guys could see this tutorial. That is the beginning of how to get your launch listed on muncheye.com. And if you have any further questions, check out emailads.co. This is where the products that I do promote, they get posted on and featured for a weekly basis on the top product for the week. And then they go down to the bottom products. So basically, that's my toolbox. And if you want to jump in and get some of the tools that I use on a normal basis, then there you go, bro. That's how you can find out what's in my toolbox, emailads.co. It was great teaching you today. I love you bunches, and I'll see you soon on the next tutorial. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Go to emailads.co now to learn more. And when you purchase a product, you get access to the Thursday Global Marketing Webinar. Talk to you soon. Bye.